Hey guys, Tank here. Here's a quick tip on shocks and what I do with these rubber sealed that actually goes on the bottom of the shocks. This one is kind of special because it does have a plastic kind of gasket here. Then you get the two O-rings and then another one. So what I do, they do recommend to put oil, but what I actually use is marine grease. In this case, it's actually green. Other people call it green slime, but it's actually from Pro Boat, and it is actually from Horizon. So it is marine grease that you get. And this is basically what I put instead of shock oil around these O-rings. Simple reason, it will last longer. It would give you a better seal. So instead of putting shock oil, put marine grease on the bottom. And that's just here, not in the shaft, but on the O-rings. That's where I recommend using a little bit of marine grease. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll talk to you later. Bye. Cheers.